Well, I know that Keamoku won his lawsuit. I think it was like a 7-year lawsuit, so he's got his rights to his land. So I fully support that. I did actually have a conversation with Dr. Sai after that presentation, and I did an interview with one of his. I don't know if it was a PR person that's been following him around, filming things. But one of the things that came up was the council that he's involved in. He went back to his council and actually got the County Council of Maui sanctioned. So they recognized the Maui County Council as a legal body. So that was a kind of a step forward because we don't have to wonder if everything we're doing is respected by that group. You know, it was a so their focus, as far as I know right now, is on the state of Hawaii and the infractions that they feel are happening at the state level, which I don't really because I'm not a state legislator, I can't speak to being able to make any votes in that area. But I do support the rights, and I think one of the things that really impressed me about Dr. Sai's presentation was it was focused on the law. It wasn't focused on emotion or the idea that there were grandfather rights. It was really focused on legal, and I think he's got really good points. So I do support what he's fighting for, and I think that he's come a long way. In talking to people about his presentation, I did come up against people who remembered him from early days before he had his PhD and his legal status that he has now, and that he had advised some people not to pay their mortgages who are still suffering from that. So I think there's a mixed bag there with some of the history. But as I didn't know, I wasn't around in looking at those issues back then, so I can't speak to it personally. I just know what people have told me, and I had great respect for the way he presented himself and the presentation he gave to us.